guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically play games on Discord with your friends. It's actually super simple. You're just going to select any server. You can do this on any server, by the way. I think some games you need Nitro for it, but some games are also free, and I'm not sure which one is free, which one's not. So just go to any server and go in any voice channel as well, and then you are going to basically select start an activity. And as you can see, there are a lot of games you can choose from. Land.io, you can even like watch YouTube together. Know What I Meme, Bobble League, Pet Party, Sketchheads, Chess in the Park, Blazing 8, Spellcast, Letter League, Checker in the Park. So I know that Pet Party I think is free, so I'm just going to select that. And as you can see, the game will start here, and people can just join by selecting this activity here and pressing join activity. And as you can see, I am able to play that game. So let's just try like this one, for instance. People can join, of course, but like I do have friends, but like I'm just not gonna like play. I'm just here to show you that you can play games on Discord. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!